elections are not just about personalities and characters. Elections will decide our government, which needs to act on a number of issues. So, what we have done with this poster is that we are also highlighting various issues that people should be thinking about. So, whether it's the economy, agriculture, health, education, there are so many issues that the media does cover. But often, what happens is that these are small articles, maybe not on the main page, it's not covered as much as it should be. So, what we have done with this is put links for a lot of the articles that have been covered, like the issues that have been covered. You can click on this QR code to get more links divided by issues. So, all these points we are covering here, but I also would just like to mention that there are a lot of issues that the media should be covering better, which it's not. And when you look at this, you will realize that. You will realize how many articles are available, how much the media has covered some very critical issues, and how much more coverage is required.